Hello and welcome back guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're gonna reviewing this Realme GT2 Pro, which is the new flagship killer from Realme, and it is a flagship from Realme. So let's check it out about this phone, what it has to offer, and what are the significant things about this phone. So this is the box is really big and really it's tall and it's very fat, you can see here, and here is written the Realme GT2 Pro, and here some details. And today we are having in the steel black color, and this is the 8GB 128GB variant. So currently we are having two options available for this Realme GT2 Pro in the market. So either you can go with 8GB RAM, 128GB storage. So today what we are having, and the another variant is 256GB RAM and 12GB RAM and 256GB storage. And this is the box, and you can see lots of stuff written over here. And here are some key highlights of the box. So key features of this Realme GT2 Pro, which is 2x super reality display is really phenomenal in this phone, which is really impressive. And it's coming with the all new Snapdragon 8 Gen processor, which is a 4 nanometer based processor, which is really good. And the cameras are really fabulous. It's coming with a 50 megapixel with three cameras are there, and it comes with a microscope camera. It's also available in this here. And most important part is its battery. It's comes with 5000 mAh battery, which is really good, and it's blended with a 65 watt super dart charger. So let's check it out. What are the box contents here? So this here it is. Okay, here exploring the aesthetics of technology. Here are some contents over here, and here's the phone. Actually this phone has already been unboxed by someone else, so we have got later on actually. So let's boot this phone, and first of all I will boot this phone. Just a second.
For that, you'll need to connect to a Wi-Fi network.
Okay, now it's the phone is booted. You can see the display. It's a 6.7 full quad HD display, which is having 120 Hz refresh rate, which is really phenomenal. And you can see the display is really phenomenal in this Realme GT2 Pro, and it comes with 120 Hz refresh rate, and it's a quad HD display, so it's the content consumption will be really phenomenal. And this is a biopolymer material has been used, which is really fabulous, and it's a very eco-friendly. And you can see there is no fingerprints on the phone and all. It's really the material which has been used is really ultra premium, and the in-hand feel is really fabulous in this Realme GT2 Pro. And regarding the cameras of this Realme GT2 Pro, cameras are really fabulous in this one. This is the primary sensor is a Sony IMX760, which is a really phenomenal camera, and the other one is 50 megapixel ultra wide camera. So you can also take a 50-degree ultra wide photos and videos also with this one. And there's a microscope here, and there are dual flashes available. So the photography is one of the main USPs of this phone, and the display and the content creation will be the really phenomenal. And the speakers really are, these are the stereo speakers. This is a Type C port, and here's the this is the microphone over here, and this is the SIM tray is available. And here the finish is all metal, and you can see these are the volume rockers, and other side this is the power button, and the secondary microphone cancellation is available here. So all in all, it's really good. And one more thing regarding the display is really phenomenal. And let's check out what we have in this phone. So this is another compartment here, and this is you can see this is a TPU case. So super ultra premium, must say. It's once we put on this on the phone, so it's really good. It does a great job. And here we are having this cable, Type C to Type A, and one of the most prominent thing is a 65 watt super dart charger. So does the charging really well. Within 1 hour you can, I think all the phone gets charged, and it's blended with a 5000 mAh battery. And regarding the performance, it's coming with a Snapdragon 8 Generation 1 processor, which is one of the great performance and one of the best flagship processors available in the market. And everything is been really great in this phone, especially the cameras. I will share you the camera samples also. It's really phenomenal. And let's check it out its sound first of all. So regarding the Realme GT2 Pro, what I really like about it, its display, and the main USPs are the Snapdragon 8 first gen processor is really good. It works really good, and you can see the touch sampling is around 1000 hertz, and the 120 hertz display. The content consumption is really great in this Realme GT2 Pro, and the speaker, well, you can see